thank you for joining us at the second Open Networking Summit in Europe. Community collaboration to commercialization.
Collaboration is key, is fundamental for open source, is fundamental for standards. Standards don't exist without collaboration.
We all understand that 5G is so much more. It's actually not just another G, it's actually taking it into being fundamental for the industry, being fundamental for the society.
And so we've got a lot of work to do to make sure that our infrastructure scales the physical, the virtual, and the cloud.
The open source lets a community work together.
I don't think that I would be able to effectively build a community without having these type of events.
Really intense 3 days for me, the hallway track and the meetings I have and then the sessions I go to. But I've been thrilled with being able to come here.
The clue's in the name. I think the event is open and therefore there's a far more open dialogue that we have here than you perhaps do at other events.
You know, in some cases, during half an hour you can get to agreement on something you could not agree for months. So I really believe in that, and Linux Foundation actually provides a platform for that.
I have a lot of contacts here, and this creates a good environment to have new ideas and to progress faster.
This has been a great show. We are able to listen from different angles, views on the future. So I really like and recommend the show. They are great demos, so I'm learning a lot and having fun.
The quality of the event is extremely high. The type of conversation, the type of sessions, the details in which people delve into to have those conversations is absolutely amazing.
Seeing the likes of Tier 1 operators here from Europe as well as some from Asia and the US has been a really powerful kind of opportunity for us to kind of get out there and speak to those folks.
I encourage anybody who's interested in open source and standards and moving these projects forward to come to these meetings.
If you're actually talking to developers who are working on the projects and they can tell you how to get involved in their work, it's just an opportunity to interact that is like no other.